This morning I opened up the Discord and found a message there indicating that Zeta and Palantir had entered into a sizable deal. And as I then went and looked at the two stocks, it made no positive impact on either one of them. Palantir continued its drop in price, and Zeta kind of just stayed where it was. And I thought, this is a big deal, but the market doesn't see it as a big deal, and maybe I don't understand it. So what can I do? Well, I went and read some articles on Seeking Alpha and Yahoo, and I said, why don't I ask Samantha? And that's the app I'm building at this point. In fact, I have a meeting with one of the representatives from a group that works with one of the hyperscalers that is kind of working with developers, and I discovered that's what I am now, to get them online so that they can access or use the hyperscalers' compute power. So anyway, I went and basically said, here's the stories, here's what's going on. Is this going to change your projected in price on Zeta for the next 3 years? And Samantha came back and said, yes, definitely would. It's going to add about $100 million to Zeta's bottom line. And I asked her to explain to me in a little more detail. I understand Zeta is very big in gathering first-party data, and I understand how that's going to be used in the advertising world. But how is that going to equate or work in Palantir's world, where they're basically interested in enterprise, a big business, and the government? And I got to thinking, well, what if Zeta, if Palantir had access to this firsthand data right now, what might they be able to do with it? Well, what's going on right now that they're probably involved in? The peace talks in Iran. That the United States is trying to come to some agreement with Iran about ending this war. Well, how might what Zeta does come into it? Zeta looks at everything in an individual's life. What if one of the negotiators or one of the people in the Iran higher up had some dirty laundry that they wouldn't want out there? What if they had some deeds in the past that just wouldn't have worked out? What if Zeta could find that data, make it available to Palantir, and Palantir could then make it available to the United States? Now that's kind of out in the, but just put that in your mind and say, why would Palantir be interested in this stack, this software stack that Zeta has been developing over the past 5 years, where they can get into firsthand information on anybody on this earth? I think I see why Zeta and Palantir came to an agreement. Doesn't have anything to do with what some foreign official is going to buy his wife for their anniversary. Doesn't have anything to do with where somebody's going to vacation. No. It has to do is what can I get on you? It's like Donald says, you don't have the cards. You don't have the cards to make this play. Well, where do you get the cards? Where do you get the dirt? Where do you find the dirty laundry? Where do you find their garbage can? Zeta finds it for you. So, I went ahead, and that's kind of the information I gathered from Samantha, and I put in an order for more Zeta. I don't own any Palantir. I think it's a little overpriced. It has too high of a PE ratio for me. But Zeta's looking good. I put a price. In fact, what Samantha did, she says it's pulling back a little. Give it to, and she gave me the price I should buy. What if you had that available to you every day? What if you read a story and said, I wonder what that means? I wonder who I could ask. Ask Samantha. That's what I'm building. That's what Best of Us Investors is building. A bot, an app that you will be able to ask Samantha, your own personal stock analyst, anytime you want. On your phone, or on your desktop, on your laptop, anywhere you want. And she'll get into all the data on any stock you want to explore. And then we're going to introduce her compatriot, Ask Shay. Shay's going to be, and this is a bit down the road, though, for those of you who are looking for income, who are looking for dividend stocks, that'll be Ask Shay. But we got to get Samantha up and running. As I said, I'm meeting with one of the hyperscalers representatives this afternoon to set up the structure of how, once we give you that app, how the guardrails and the responsibilities and the security will be around it, because we're going to be dealing with your financial future. We're not going to be financial advisors. I give no financial advice, but I will be giving you Ask Samantha. Go to the website, sign up so that you might have an opportunity to get on Samantha's Ask list.